life. When anger fades and threats take flight, in forgiveness you win everything in life. No need to carry heavy load. Forgiving others lightens the road. With kindness our heart brings to mend. In forgiveness you will not want to prevent. So let go of hurt. So let go of pain. In forgiveness love will always remain. A heart that forgives a soul that slide. In forgiveness you win everything right. Respected audience. Remember forgiveness is not always easy. It can be hard to let go of our hurt. However, it's a choice. And it's a choice that leads to victory in the long run. I am here to tell you, when you forgive, you win. It's a simple idea, but it has the power to make your life better and happier. Next time, when you have a disagreement with your family, siblings, friends, classmates, try to forgive and see how it can make better for you. Thank you.
Excellent, Rehan. Now I would like to call for fifth participant of grade 5, Abdul Wasi Raja.
Respected principal, teachers. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to speak on when you forgive, you win. Forgiveness is the one of the most important values in life. Only by learning to forgive, people can find peace and move on in life. If you don't forgive, you will harbor your anger in your heart and eventually seek revenge. Both parties may be harmed by such behavior. We are also sent to dispute when we engage in conflict with them. It is a form of self-fulfillment that helps in maintaining or interpersonal harmony. When we extend forgiveness to others, we are treated with great respect. Forgiveness helps us to mend relationships that are unsound and to give people a second chance. We are human and it is human to make mistakes. But only someone for their error or wrongdoing is worth forgiveness in this. There will be many people who make mistakes as in life. They harm us, they tell lies and even defraud us. It could be a member of family, a friend, stranger, whosoever. It is neither their or what done to us can be judged. We are limited to forgive them. Forgetting must go hand in hand with forgiving. It is useless to forget without forgetting what happened. Therefore, we must forget about that who have harmed us and forgive them. Forgiveness for students entails from refraining a punishing a friend who behaved badly against you. Without equal to retribution, this improves us as people. In the end of my speech, I will say forgive others not because they deserve forgiveness, because you deserve peace. Thank you.
MashaAllah, what an eloquent speech. Now I would like to call the sixth and the last participant of grade 5, Muhammad Abu Bakr.
Honorable Chairman, respected principal and teachers, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. I, Abu Bakr from class 5, stand here in front of you all to deliver a speech on a very important topic. If you forgive,